Have you ever felt overwhelmed by budgeting and meal planning? But what if I told you there's a smarter way to do it? Today we'll learn to use ChatGPT prompts to build weekly budgets, meal plans, and life trackers. With these tools, you can steer your life toward efficiency and lessen your stress. First, let's dive into budgeting. Start by tracking your income. List all your monthly income sources, including rent and groceries. Once you have these lists, create your budget. Make sure your total budget doesn't exceed your income. Use ChatGPT to prompt you with budgeting templates if needed. Now, let's move on to meal planning. Begin with your dietary preferences. Choose meals that align with your lifestyle. Next, outline a weekly schedule. ChatGPT can help here too. Use it to generate quick meal ideas based on your pantry items. Finally, life organization brings everything together. Create a life tracker. Start with daily goals and habits you want to build. Use prompts from ChatGPT to set reminders for tasks and events. By following these small steps, you'll master budgeting, meal planning, and life organization. Remember, consistent tracking leads to sustained success. Use the life tracker to celebrate accomplishments and adjust goals. In summary, mastering these skills helps you gain control over your life. You'll spend less time worrying and more time enjoying moments. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these strategies today. Try using ChatGPT to help create your first budget and meal plan. In the next video we will discuss about self-reflection and journaling with AI. Stay connected with us. Thank you.